So right here, I've already done my eyebrows. They're already done. I just used LA Brow Gel, really simple. Right here, I use sunscreen all the time under my makeup. Right here, I used LA Concealer. Very simple, very affordable. And right here, I use NARS Matte Foundation Full Coverage. This is my favorite foundation, and it's $50. Going back in with the LA Concealer. This is like 99 cents in stores. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that in, not too much. I'm not doing a huge contour. This is just really a natural beat with the light color. Right here, I'm going in with the Sasha Buttercup setting powder. This is one of my favorite setting powders. This was like $35 online. This is just a regular liquid eyeliner, 99 cents at the beauty supply house. And this, I'm just using a very pigmented eyeshadow palette that I got in BoxyCharm from Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette. You can use any eyeshadow palette you like to. I just like the ones that I get in my BoxyCharm because they are all very pigmented. Right here, I'm just doing a like a sparkle going toward the inner eye, and on the outer side it's non-sparkle. I went ahead and put on my eyelashes. Now I'm going in with the eyeliner, just regular 99 cents eyeliner, nothing special. Then I'm going back in again with the eyeshadow palette because I wanted more of a pigmented color. Especially on the inner eye, I like the inner eye to be very pigmented, and then I would like it to go out a little lighter. Right here, I am spraying the Anastasia Dewy Setting Spray. So this just gives you a light dewy look instead of a matte look. Right here, I'm just going to add a lip to it. I want something kind of pinkish reddish, and I just went ahead and outline it. It helps me to put on my liquid lipstick. And here are the pictures. Thank you guys for watching today. Bye.
Thank you.